Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my resource page that has over 300 tools and resources that will help you scale your Etsy business to the next level. So if you want to know more about these tools, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful Etsy business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below introducing yourself. So let's go ahead and get started. So I love finding new tools that help me run my Etsy business. And one of the things that I do on my blog is that I actually share these tools with Etsy sellers to help you also as well. So if you've never been to my blog, all you have to do is visit nancybadillo.com. This is the actual link up here. I will also leave the link in the comment section below. Once you go to my blog, all you would need to do is head over to Etsy resources. And when you click here, you're going to have a list of different resources and tools that you could use to run your Etsy store. They're organized in categories. I have, if you're looking, let's say, for instance, you need help with SEO. These are all the tools that you could use for SEO. If you need help, let's say, with marketing, tax advice, or legal templates, whether it's for your Etsy store or for your Etsy blog, these are all the different places that you could visit that will help you with anything related to marketing, tax, and legal templates. If you need help, let's say you're opening a new Etsy store and you need to do some market research, or see if what you want to sell is trending or something that people are interested in buying. These are all the tools that I currently use and that you could use in order to find if those tools, if that whatever you're trying to sell is the right thing to sell in Etsy or if it's not the right thing to sell. So these are great tools that you could use that to help you. If you need help with social media scheduling, growing on Pinterest, like learning how to use Pinterest, this is actually my online course here. And then I have additional tools to help you grow your social media, if you want to do scheduling, etc. Let's say you want to join a community of Etsy sellers that you help, that help one another. This is actually my Etsy seller support group on Facebook. It has over 20,000 members. You could join by clicking here. So as you can see, the list goes on and on and on, from social media tools to how to shorten any links that you have, from tools for photos. So if you need help with your Etsy listing, these are all tools and resources that you could use. If you want to grow your email list, which I highly recommend, these are all tools that you could currently use. If you're thinking of starting your own Etsy blog on the side, these are all the tools that you can use to do so. So as you can see, I have tons and tons of tools and resources depending on what you're trying to do. So make sure that you click below on the link to check it out. If you guys have any questions about any of the tools that I mentioned on my blog, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and answer that for you guys. Thank you again for watching and have a terrific day.